guys, it's Courtney and welcome to my channel. I definitely forgot to record my intro, but today's video will be 4 looks using the Riviera palette. So if you are interested, please continue to watch. For the first look, I'm going in with the color Coastline and lightly blending it into my crease. Next, I'm taking Palms and softly deepening my outer lid corner, building the color up slowly. Then we're going to take the color Yacht and pat that onto the lid. I'm going to take a thin fluffy brush to blend that color into the deep brown, dipping back into the palette when needed. Going back into the color Coastline, I'm going to sweep that on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner and create the tiniest wing. Then I'm going to dip into the color Inheritance and use a pencil brush to highlight my inner corner. I took my Lorac highlighter for my brow bone, added lashes, and here we are. The next look is pretty easy. I went in with the color Bahamas and began to pack that all over the lid, moving it into the crease and onto the bottom lash line. I took the color Monte Carlo just to blend out those edges. Going into Seychelles, I placed that on my inner corner. I also took a nude liner to my waterline. Added Kim Tai Lion-Hearted lashes, and that's look 2. For look number 3, I wanted an all matte look, so I went into the color Canes and built that on my outer lid, going slightly into the outer crease. Next, I took Monte Carlo and placed that on the center of my lid, blending it into the purple color we put down. With the pencil brush, I went back into Canes and added that to my outer bottom lash line, connecting it to the top at an angle. Next, I'm taking Bahamas and placing that right below that purple color on the bottom lash line, and buff that out with a fluffy brush. I also added a purple liner to my waterline. To brighten up the look, I took the color Sails on a flat brush and placed that on my inner corner, moving it slightly onto the lid, blending it in with the pink. Next, I'm taking Estate on my brow bone, add lashes, and that's look 3. For the final look, I took a black ink liner to create a wing. You could definitely go thicker than I did if you'd like, but I went for a more understated look. Next, I took the color Mediterranean and stamped that on top of the wing we put down. I went into the color Monte Carlo and buffed that onto my crease. Technically, you could do this first, but I was kind of making it up as I went along. I then took the color Canes and smoked that on my lower lash line. Then cleaned it up with a fluffy brush. Next, I took my Milk makeup liner in Biz and applied that to my waterline. I also took Mediterranean on my inner corner. Then I went into the color Bahamas to deepen the outer lid a little bit. I felt like the look needed a little bit more balance of brightness, if that makes sense. Next we add lashes, and that's the last look. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the looks. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if the mood suits you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!